gonna learn to cut the hedge today. I've never done it before. How hard can it be, right? Oh my god, looks terrible!
Now we need some tools for the job.
Chainsaw? Nah, we have something better.
So that's what we need to do. All around. Right, so what we're gonna use?
Hello.
Now it's time for some instructions.
To turn it round, press this. Okay.
Oh, so if you rotate this, it rotates. Okay.
You have to remember there's a fence on the other side of that. Try and keep the tractor parallel and out of the fence. Make sure you're not going to hit that tree. Well, yeah. Let's take the big chunks out of it. It's not going to look very good, is it? Now you need to have your hand on that joystick.
The problem with the joystick is that it's extremely sensitive. In case you're wondering what is underneath there.
And this is how it looks. So this is just spinning, no?
Anyway, carrying on. If you know how this thing works, let me know in the comment section below.
No, that's it.
So, it's still not even. Oh, I can make it even. Oh my god, looks terrible. I very much enjoy this. It's very satisfying.
Right, well, are you okay to crack on by yourself?
And look how easy if you just twist this. It's so sensitive. I'm in that stage when I know what I want to do, it's just I don't have the precision to do it. Or the skills. Well, I managed to avoid the tree. Meantime, somebody is busy with a big chainsaw. My intention is to make like a wall, a very straight wall, but we shall see about that. I tried to extend the arm a little bit because I thought this will gonna give me more room for maneuver. Yes, it's definitely better, at least I can see what I'm doing. Well, this doesn't look too good, doesn't it? Just yet. Now we're going to an area that hasn't been explored yet, a wild one. I believe that this area is quite complicated because it has tall bushes, small bushes, and I don't know exactly how to deal with this.
I have another tree there. I still don't know, I'm pretty sure there are some other commands that can really help.
And talking about that,
The other thing I wanted to show you is a function which is floating. And then you just use the weight. So the hydraulics are floating, but it's still driving.
One of these is supposed to float, to be the floating like I do with the lawnmower. So I activated this. If I activate this, it just does that. And I don't know. I don't know if I want that. I'll practice with both of them and see what's happening.
this is actually useful because you don't have to move it up and down anymore. Do you think this is way too much for John Deere? Please let me know if I should take less bushes at once.
It's a little bit muddy here. I'm trying to turn here. But if I get stuck, we have another tractor. We have a Ford. Oh God, it's not going. Alright, so this is what I I've done here and there. Well, that was my work. First time. Is this fence that I didn't want to damage it, so I went like this close with the hedge trimmer, you can see, but I couldn't go any further. But this that's my work for today. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content. I will see you in the next video. Take care.